there's one down, one to go. Let's see if we can get this to work. Let's see if we can get this to work. Maybe. Oh, that darn light's in my face again. Okay, let's see if we can get this to work. Okay, Eileen is watching. So we got one person, a couple people on Facebook. Let's see if we can get YouTube to work. Hi, Stephanie. Hi, Sylvia. On Facebook. Yep. Hi, Mary. Let's see. Hi, April Powers. Good morning. Good morning, Nancy. I don't have anybody really going on YouTube yet. Oh, there's Janine. There's Dawn. Here they come. Okay. I've been having really bad internet issues today. Really bad. Good morning, Kelly. Hi, April. Merry Christmas to you. Hi, Ellen. Hi, Speed Cat Beth. Hi, Bonnie. Hi, Andy from Maryland. Hi, Russ. Good morning. Hi, Jan. Hi, Janet, Monica, Tiffany, Jennifer, Patty. Good morning. Hi, Deb. Hi, Teresa. Hi, Ivy in Hawaii. Hi, Stephanie K. Good morning. Hi, Jan. Hi, Glamper Girl. Hi, Dawn. Yes, so heads up really quick. I'm having extreme internet issues. So there's a very good chance it will stop. There's a very good chance it will buffer. There's a very good chance it will be pixelated. And there's a very good chance this will end early. Because I have 3 different internet connections here. I have my main computer, my phone, and the laptop. And my laptop has 1 bar. My phone, I don't know what it has. Hi, Lori. Merry Christmas to you. And my main computer cannot get any access. So it's going to be a crazy day at work today, I can tell. So good morning. Ooh, Cynthia's on a sailing vessel. That's awesome. Good morning, Lori. Hi, Lori. 2 Loris right in a row. Hi, Kimberly. She says, Kimberly said that Facebook is clearer than YouTube. Yeah, YouTube showing literally, well, I mean, it's my laptop, actually. I can't blame YouTube this time. But my laptop showing 1 bar, and I don't know what my phone's showing, but my desktop, which is the best computer out of all of them, shows 0. I have no internet on my desktop. So it will be a short video today. So, oh, thank you, Glamper Girl. Yeah, so it's back and forth. We'll see. Oh, Bonnie says it's a cool Florida 73. That's not bad. Kathy says she's having internet issues too. Well, it's crazy because usually Kenny's here, by the way, but to help me. I mean, not on Mondays though. But I unplugged the Wi-Fi router and I unplugged the main router and tried to plug it back in again, and none of it, it's apparently not doing very good. Stephanie K wants me to remind you, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yes, please, that helps us. Hi, Courtney. Good morning. Good morning, Susan. So let's see. Let's get into our updates. Oh, just a reminder, no releases until the 31st, right? The 31st will be the first release, so that for January. So, oh, hang on. Wendy says, moved from YouTube. Oh, wait. Okay, hang on. Wendy said something cute, I thought. Oh, on Christmas break, and I finally get to watch a life of a teacher. Yes, isn't that the truth? What? She says, wow, makeup today. Actually, no. I have some lip stain on, and I have mascara on, and that's it. I don't usually do real makeup, but I do sometimes do. I call it lip stain because it's Amazon years ago sent me the wrong color, and so I got a refund on that. It's not even real lipstick, but I got a refund, but it's a horrible color, but I put it on in the morning, so my lips are like kind of stained the rest of the day. Hi, Laura in Arkansas. Cookie heard me talking, so she had to come up here and see. Come here. You want up? Come here. Mama pick you up. Come here. Mama pick you up. Up. Sit with Mama. Oh, you're going to be nice to Mama today. Oh, say hello, everybody. Say good. Oops, hang on. Say good morning. Say good morning. Say my mommy hasn't taken me out today and I'm mad. Huh. I did let you go P-O-T-T-Y, but I didn't take you out. Are you going to have your Thursday Stephanie Crafting Corner? Yes, we will. Yes, we will. We will still be having that. And yeah, Kenny and I are really supposed to be working a lot today. So we got to get a whole bunch of stuff finished. In other news, my baby boy Miller is extremely sick. So if you could keep him in your prayers. They had him tested yesterday for COVID, and he does not have COVID. But yeah, YouTube's going down. Unstable, it's saying. Unstable. Poor Miller is very sick. He has a doctor's appointment today. And so we're trying to organize our doctor's appointment because I have... Cheryl says, hello from Washington State, recovering from breast cancer surgery, doing okay. Cheryl, I'm glad to hear that. I'm glad to hear you're doing okay. Oh gosh, hopefully they got it all and you don't have to think about it anymore, right? Oh my goodness, Cheryl. So Miller has a doctor's appointment today at 3 something, and I have an appointment today for my hair. So my hair is still falling out like there's no tomorrow. Wish there wasn't tomorrow because I won't have any hair left. Yeah, whatever, who cares, right? I mean, hair loss is nothing compared to what a lot of us are dealing with. But I do have a doctor's appointment today, so my doctor is kind of cool. You like call in the morning and then they put you on the waiting list. And then it's kind of like an urgent care, but they're my primary doctor also. Do you spy a paper trimmer behind you? Probably. And so my primary care physician, you just call in the morning and then they put you on the list. Then they text you and say, hey, come on in. Still no snow or rain in Colorado. Oh, wow. A paper trimmer. Yes, I do have a Crafter's Companion paper trimmer. I do use it. They gave me one to play with. It's kind of nice. I can think of some things that we could do to make it better. But we're talking about that. So nothing to report on that yet. It looks like YouTube's doing a little better. And I can't even blame YouTube this time because my laptop has 1 bar, so it's going to be a little cray-cray for a little while. So, Cookie, you need a new collar. Yuck. So let's see. So Liam is coming over today by himself, and he will be getting, got a doctor's appointment tomorrow to get trigger point injection for migraine. Ooh, Shirley, did I ever tell you about Kirsten's migraine? To make it life simple, we call it a migraine. It's not, Kirsten has something different than a migraine, but she suffers from, they call it daily persistent headache, which is like the stupidest name in the world. She's had a headache since she was 14 years old, every day, all the time. And so we did every test in the book. The only thing that works for her is 30 plus injections of Botox all the way around her, the crown of her head. And luckily insurance helps to pay for it, but it does help. So she has to go in like every 8 to 10 weeks to get new injections because it doesn't last very long, but that's the only thing that has ever helped her. So if you, hang on, somebody said that, Daisy says she has a daily persistent headache, also known as her husband. Yeah, not for Kirsten, but yeah, that would be funny. So try, if that's not working what you're doing, look into the Botox. Some insurance will will cover it. Kirsten's insurance covers like 80% of it, which it's very expensive, but it's worth it. Annette says, prayer request for my daughter-in-law's father-in-law diagnosed with ALS and mother-in-law was diagnosed with schizophrenia. Oh, unfortunately, they are up in the Bay Area and they live here in LA. Oh, that's awful. Hang on, I want to write these all down. So, oh my gosh, my YouTube is not even connected at this point. YouTube is not even connected at this point. Yes, try Facebook. Try Facebook. Try Facebook. Yes. So again, I'm having horrible internet connection, and that's why today's live is going to be very short. Out of three lines, I only have one good one, and that's on Facebook. And the bad thing about Facebook is I can't see your chats. So it's almost like I'm talking to myself. So Arlette says she doesn't have Facebook. I'm sorry. Yeah, YouTube's just going to go in and out, you guys, in and out. That's why today's going to be short. So, I'm trying to think. Oh, I started wrapping presents yesterday, and I'm trying to figure out why it is my job to wrap presents. Why isn't it anybody else's job in my family, like my husband, to wrap presents? Yeah, I don't know how that happened. But yeah, I have to wrap all the presents. And so I wrapped literally a few because I have some for my kids. And yeah, I have a lot to do still. I have a lot to do in general, which is kind of crazy. But we'll get there. We'll get there eventually. Yes, YouTube is frozen. It is still trying to connect, it says. However, I doubt it. Francie says, when I figure it out, let you know. Hi, Yvette. Good morning. So, speaking, since I saw Yvette's name, it made me think of it. Our design team has taken over our, I mean, that sounded weird, taking over. But no, they're like doing that on purpose because Dina is off for a few days. And so our design team is going to do all our social media, which thank you very much. It's really fun. Yes, if somebody has if somebody has a customer service situation, you can log into your account and do most of that. If not, you can contact us through the website. And Faylene can help take care of anything that you have any issues of. Let's see. Yeah, YouTube is down still. Down, down, down. Hi, Olivia. Good morning. Let's see. Sorry to everybody on YouTube. Yeah, YouTube is just dead. Dead, dead, dead. We will be back on Thursday for sure. And luckily for Thursdays, Kenny has... Oh, Daisy says the design team is doing a great job. Thank you, hon. Michelle says she needs to wrap today too. Thursday will be better because that's hardlined to our internet. And so that makes it a lot better. And that will definitely help you. Let's see. Some people are trying to get in on the chat. I'm seeing a couple of chats on what is this? On YouTube. Oh, I'm losing it. So, yeah, it's been crazy. We did watch the babies. Hi, Ham. We did watch the babies on Saturday, and Miller was doing pretty good. He was a little cranky, but he was doing pretty good. And we had fun. We had fun with the babies. They were doing really good. They're really excited. Oh, tamale making day today. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Hi, Lola. Good morning. And so the babies were really fun on Saturday, but then yesterday, Miller started really getting sick. So his temperature was 102.5. Poor baby. Olivia says, in the card kit, will we continue to receive card bases dies? For a couple months, for sure, yes. And then we're switching it up and doing other big dies. So we're going to continue with bigger dies, and we're going to start mixing it up a little bit more. So you're never going to know kind of what you're going to get kind of thing. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. But we're keeping the value up high. So that's going to be fun. Yeah, YouTube is pretty much dead. I think I'm going to probably just close it up because it's literally dead. It just says they're trying to connect. So we're going to just end that stream because it's kind of worthless to have that trying to go. It's just not working. So we'll stay on Facebook for a couple more minutes. Let me see if I had anything else I wanted to throw out there. So we don't have any releases for the 20th of this month, obviously. Today's the 20th. And then the 25th, we do not have any releases. We will start up again on our releases on December 31st, the night of December 31st for the first. We will still be doing our crafting corner on Thursday. So Kenny and I will be live on Thursday, and you'll get to see us there. And I think that's it. Ellen says this month's card kit is so awesome. Thank you. Thank you. We had a lot of fun putting that together. Shirley says she has 63 pounds of wrapping paper that she bought in 2007. Wowzers. Wowzers. We bought some extra wrapping paper this year, but I don't know why we did because we have no storage capabilities at this place. So I don't know why we did that. But yeah, you've had to store that for a while, huh? Daughter has COVID this past week and it's now negative. Yay! That's awesome. When is the next class? It is going to be released. I believe it's January 3rd. It will be released and it will be later that month. So we're going to put it on sale for January 3rd. I believe. And then at the end of the month is when we will be doing it live. So the classes have been selling out. So make sure if you're interested in the online classes. Dina said that she's going to send an email out to club members, I think 24 hours ahead of time. So just a heads up on that. I believe it's, I believe she said 24 hours ahead of time. So is when, hi, Becky. She said she finally found you. Yeah, YouTube is dead today. Well, I can't blame YouTube today. It's my laptop. We have no internet today. So I'm on my phone. You guys are seeing me from my phone because that's at least better than nothing. Any hints of what the class is? I couldn't tell you because if I told you something, it would probably be a future class. I know most of the class is, but we're not, January was finalized like in July, so I have no idea. I don't remember. The one I'm working on right now is really awesome though. But I don't remember what the one is for releasing in January. So yeah, it sounds like a lot of people are having internet issues today. The only thing I'm thinking is maybe a whole bunch of people are online shopping. I don't know. Yeah, my desktop still can't connect, and it has the best computer in the house. So yeah, I'm having, so you're on my phone right now. We're probably using cellular data. No, it's no weather. It's not weather. It's beautiful here today. Any sneak peeks? No, I don't have any sneak peeks for today. And Annette says probably because the kids are out of school too. Yeah, so that could be it too. But yeah, I'm looking at my desktop. It's still trying to connect and there's nothing to connect to. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. Jill, Merry Christmas from sunny New Jersey. Merry Christmas to you. Oh gosh, I saw something. Hang on. Whoops. Yvette says, may I ask for prayers? My daughter-in-law is due with my first grandbaby in February. She just found out she has a heart defect. Oh, Yvette. Oh gosh. It doesn't have a ring that's associated with it with requiring heart surgery at birth. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah, Yvette, absolutely. I was so excited when you announced that she was pregnant. So, I remember when you did that, when you announced that. So when she was going to find out if she was pregnant. So yes, grandbabies due in February, or born in February are extra special, Yvette, because mine are born in February. So, absolutely we'll be praying for that. Keep us updated on that. Oh gosh. And my doctor just texted me saying I need to come in. So I'm going to head out, you guys. I hope you guys all have a wonderful and safe and happy. Well, I'm going to talk to you on Thursday. So I'm not going to tell you all my Merry Christmas stuff yet. So I'll see you Thursday. Please, on the Facebook fan page, please tell everybody that we will be doing our Thursday. Sorry, today's is so short. The internet is insane. But we should be much better on Thursday. So have a wonderful day. Finish your Christmas stuff if you need to. And I will see you Thursday at 11 a.m. Pacific for a crafting corner. Okay? Have a great day. Bye-bye.